Dear YouTube viewers, welcome to PCB Repair YouTube channel. Today I am here with another new video. Today's video is about 42-inch Electra LED TV dead condition issue. Friends, look, the AC power of the TV is input. I have now turned on the main switch of the TV. Look, no indicator light is on here. Anyway, I opened the TV to see what the problem is. Look at the Ticon boot used in this panel. It is a Ticon boot from Surf company. It might have been used before due to the power problem of the TV. Anyway, I am doing it my way. Since this is any input double LVDS connector and any output double FFC cable connector Ticon boot. Look here, any FRC converter has been used and this FRC converter has been converted from 2K to 2K because the original motherboard has been replaced yearly. That's why this FRC connector has been used. Then see the motherboard is let's run again and another technician is tired to repair the motherboard but he couldn't, and see here the FRC converter board on this TV is installed is there in that board. The input voltage is there in that board. The board is dead due to over voltage. Giving in place of that voltage the board is 5 volts. Here is a giving probably 12 volts. That is why see here 6-pin IC is ground. And see here RFIC and 3.3 volts IC are open in the motherboard is there in that board. The input voltage is there in that board. The board is dead due to over voltage. Giving in place of that voltage the board is 5 volts. Here is a giving probably 12 volts. That is why see here 6-pin IC is ground. And see here RFIC and 3.3 volts IC are open in the motherboard. So let's see now if the motherboard can be repaired. See, this is the 3.3 volts test point here, but it is showing short. And the 3.3 volt of the memory IC is also showing shorts. This means that the processor IC of this motherboard is dead. That is why 3.3 volts is showing short. Then we have to change the motherboard FRC converter board here, and the external 12 volt charger that is used here is good. Anyway, since the amount in the repairing process will be a little more, I will use a single motherboard and FRC converter here. See here I have taken one piece universal single board and one piece remote and one piece FRC converter board, with it 2 piece FFC cables and one piece full HD LVDS cable. So let's connect the motherboard and FRC converter board. Then again we come back to the video. Yes, again we come back to the video. See here, I have connect the universal motherboard, DC 12 volt charger and a backlight inverter. Then what is important, this is the FRC converter board. This is also me. I have set up. Now we will input the AC code to this LED TV. Yes, I have input the AC code and see the power indicator is on. Now I will release the TV to standby. Yes, standby is released. Then see the backlight is on. So now let's see the TV screen. Yes, I have set up the TV for the combination of work. Then I will again input the AC code of the TV. See, the indicator is on. Now we will again release the TV to standby. Yes, standby is released and see the TV screen is perfect. Look, again there is a third. That third is the problem of the panel. Anyway, the component inside this TV are set up perfect. Friends, please subscribe the channel. If please like the video and share it with the friends.